Please, can you introduce yourself and your role in TikTok?
Sure, thank you. Hello, my name is Yochinn. Thank you for having me. I have been living in our region for 14 years, based in Dubai. Within tech, I've been working for companies like Publicis Group, Facebook, and for the past 1.5 years, I've been leading TikTok's consumer business in our region. I'm also responsible for the commercial side of our Ramadan charter. So with that, for the value proposition to businesses of all sizes.
Okay, thank you for your introduction. How does TikTok support brands and what they offer to expand its businesses?
Yeah, so look, TikTok is a platform that people use for inspiration and entertainment. And that gives brands the opportunity to then build connections with these people. So brands finding their relevant audience on TikTok. So the magic of TikTok is in the creation of content. It's also in the chance to discover or from a brand's angle to be found. So with TikTok for Business, our goal is giving business owners and brands the tools to be discovered and connect with our community. So TikTok for Business are home to our marketing solutions, including key products like our top view, like our in-feed auction, like our hashtag challenges. And this gives brands and marketeers the solutions to become creative storytellers in a very contemporized format that TikTok represents. So what's important to take away around TikTok for Business is that it's a growing suite of solutions that can cater to a very wide area of business objectives and to businesses of all sizes. So really helping brands to embrace TikTok's experience and reimagine how to best connect with a community to be relevant.
Great. Digital transformation took a considerable part of our daily routines. How TikTok played a digital, let's say, shopping experience through the TikTok app?
So the secret is probably the TikTok community itself, or more specifically, a phenomenon that we like to label community commerce. And what community commerce means is ultimately people seeking validation before they take decisions, especially purchasing decisions. So the TikTok community is there to be a trusted source for peer reviews, for word of mouth recommendations, which essentially humanizes an experience. You may have heard about the hashtag of TikTok made me buy it, which has turned into a true phenomenon. So that is one great example of community commerce coming to life. So TikTok being a platform that is designed to inspire, meaning people discover new products on the platform, and with that, getting the urge to try out these products. Let me give you a couple of examples. So one global example that you may be familiar with is the feta cheese pasta phenomenon, which was born by one creator in Finland, sharing a recipe around a feta cheese dish that went so popular that for months around the world, feta cheese started selling out. And locally here, brands like Almarai then jumped on that trend, building content around their own feta cheese brand. I think another local example would be Fine Hygienic in Egypt, that with Fine Slim Pack tripled its sales with a hashtag challenge that engaged Egyptian youth in participation. Or then moving from the big corporations into the SME ecosystem, Uncle Fluffy, the cheesecake brand, growing an international follower base to serve their expansion objectives, adding almost 900,000 followers on TikTok within 10 days. So you see that there's a vast opportunity on TikTok to enable and impact how brands reach people, how they trigger discovery and ultimately trial. And that is TikTok's contribution to what we like to label a more humanized yet digital shopping experience.
That's cool. From your point of view, how brands can create meaningful impact on their customers and TikTok users?
So TikTok is a creator-led platform, and brands should approach it as such. So we love seeing brands leaning in with creators, leaning on creators that have built culture in our platform, to represent their brand with all their authenticity. Anyone can be a creator, and that level of authenticity has resonated extremely well with people. So we recommend to brands to trust creators, to partially hand over their briefs and let the creator do its thing. Brands need to be mindful that in today's age, reach is still great and decisive to success, but relevant reach is even better. And relevance is enhanced to people in the moment they identify, and that level of identification often comes through creators. So these creators being the gateway to relevance. So via creators, brands can enrich their storytelling and their creativity. And that's what triggers authenticity in presence on the platform. So we've seen that this relevancy drives benefits across the full funnel in objectives, increasing brand affinity all the way down to bottom line results and sales impact.
Can you walk us through the key trends in Ramadan 2021 and 2022?
Sure. So generally people have more downtime in Ramadan, and with that they look for additional forms of entertainment. I think within entertainment in Ramadan, the value add in how to design my day, how to spend my night, and all the events that I'm involved in as a consumer, that requires a lot of tips and recommendations and recipes that people search for in value add. So TikTok sees this spike in demand, so the community in Ramadan comes together more than ever. So with that, our ability is what we, to provide what we like to label an uninterrupted Ramadan experience, meaning apart from user-generated content and brands disseminating content on our platform, with the help of MBC Group, we also have premium publisher content in Ramadan on the platform. So this year, as well as last year, the hashtags of Ramadan prep and anything evolving around that are extremely popular, have made TikTok almost a one-stop shop for people to not only be entertained, but to find infotainment or edutainment around Ramadan related topics. And that includes a wide level of categories, of course, food, of course, beauty, of course, fashion on, what to wear for the big occasions. But the seasonal spike is very evident in the platform. People tend to buy more towards Ramadan, and then again towards in the 2 weeks heading towards Eid, people tend to buy together, triggering this aspect of community commerce. So these are the trends that we genuinely see coming to life within our Ramadan community. Now, again, to give you a couple of examples on brands leveraging this, one would be Arla, the dairy producer with a 3 Cows brand in Ramadan 2021. So a rather traditional category, spearheading into the creators-led advertising space, sponsoring the hashtag of Ramadan preps, and with that natively integrating their branded content led by creators within our platform. One more example from the automotive industry, where Kia in Ramadan 21 launched a series of 4 mom-approved videos that position the mother in the household as the ultimate decision taker when it comes to purchasing a car, which is a very popular category to be addressed by buyers during Ramadan. So brands recognizing the increase in content consumption in these categories and seamlessly integrating with the help of creators.